When I determine what strategy I'm going to use and how I'm going to group students, I go by coaching quads. And coaching quads allows me to use the same document, Lexile, within that 200 range, so it can be simple as an introduction task like what we're doing today, or more of a challenging task where it requires them to do a little deeper thinking. But the coaching quads works very well because they all help each other out, and I don't have to utilize multiple documents for that. And that works out really well for the structure that I use in my classroom with history. When I use text mining or magnet summary, I look at what task I want them to accomplish, and it really is about communication and writing with magnet summary. I think they both go hand in hand. Text mining and magnet summary can be utilized together because both of them are about utilizing evidence, and the text mining aspect is where students can pull out the evidence with a guided structure, and then magnet summary allows them to communicate in a more formal sense. So we're looking at an introduction, a thesis, utilize evidence in an argument. So the bottom line is really, do I want the students to write and make an argument and practice that formal aspect, or do I want them to just pull out evidence for that sense? So they both go hand in hand, but it's more about the communication aspect with magnet summary. Literacy days can last 20, 30 minutes. But a lot of times in my class they last 45 or 50 minutes because ultimately is the goal, what do I want the students to achieve? And it's beyond just textual evidence that I want them to utilize. I want them to produce some kind of product. So today the students are looking at a document on the changes and challenges Latin American countries faced after the Spanish had left. And in there is neocolonialism, how part of the struggle is they're still dependent on those countries, or Spain and other countries, to develop. So their product is to create a plan on how to overcome those challenges that they read today. So when I look at text mining and magnet summary, I ultimately want them to, one, produce some kind of product. In magnet summary, a written portion. With text mining, with the documents, I still want them to produce something. So it goes beyond just pulling out text, but it's definitely giving them some kind of, magnet summary and text mining is giving them some kind of guidance to read properly and how to utilize that for something bigger, some kind of essential question.